welcome back to another Vlogmas video. It's Vlogmas day 2, and today we're going to be opening up the FabFitFun winter box. Actually really excited about it because I actually didn't pick any of my items this season because I didn't get a notification about it, so I was like, dang, now I'm just gonna be surprised. Kind of sucks I didn't get the notification, but it is what it is. I still got the box. I got like a smaller size box, so, and it still has a lot of like winter items that I would use. Before we start in today's video, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up for me. Hopefully this lighting is okay. I don't know. I'm like out here in my sunroom. I thought it'd just be a nice different scenery of the video, so stick around. I'm gonna be doing Vlogmas the whole December. Hopefully I can do it. I just can't believe it's Vlogmas day 2. I'm so ready for winter, so ready for Christmas. Let's get into unboxing the FabFitFun winter box. I was just kind of bummed that I didn't get the notification to like pick my items, because I would have loved to do that because that's like the best part. But once you open it up, you get this like pamphlet here. Also, before I get into the box, I have a code down below if you want. I think it's like $10 or $15 off your first box if you sign up. So I'm gonna leave that down below if you guys want to purchase it. So after you get the pamphlet out, I'm gonna also get out the stickers. I think these are so cute. They're just themed winter and Christmas. I think that's adorable. Then you also get some freebies. So here's something about like HBO Max. And then this one's about HelloFresh, about getting 16 free meals. That's pretty cool, I think. I like when they include that. They also include this like wine thing. I don't drink wine, so. And then also they included this freebie of, I got this before. I think it was like in the summer box, and I didn't really use it. I just drink plain water. I don't need any of these like boosters. I mean, it's nice to have. So let's actually open up the rest of the stuff. So I like this. This is the first thing that was caught my eye, is these hot chocolate bombs. They're like the molds. You know how they make the hot chocolate, like the balls, and like you put it in like warm milk and or like water, and it like melts and it's like basically a hot chocolate then. Yeah, these are like the molds, and I think that's really cool that they added that in the winter box because I always wanted to make these, so now I can make 2. I think that's pretty cool. I can't wait to do these, so let me know if you guys want to do a video about this. Next is this recovery sample. I think it's like a tea. I don't really drink tea, but this is pretty cool. There's 5 flavors. It's the India original chai tea, sweet cinnamon chai tea, turmeric ginger herbal tea, vanilla spice chai tea, turmeric spiced herbal tea. I don't really drink tea, but I mean, I can try it. It would be beneficial for the winter since it is cold, but don't know if I would really use it. So the next thing in my box is this collagen serum by Dr. Brand. Never really heard of this brand before, but whoa, kind of smells weird. I don't know why I'm just like rubbing it on my fingers. It goes on your face, but sorry if the lighting changed. It got really dark out all of a sudden, so I'm gonna try this out. I like trying new skincare, but my skin gets really sensitive when I try new products, so I'm gonna try this out and see how it works. The next thing in the winter box I am kind of scared about. They're the Glamnetic lashes, and you get like an eyeliner like glue thing for them. They look like this, and they're in Virgo. I think that's so cool because I'm a Virgo, but I never tried like fake eyelashes before, so I'm kind of scared to try them. They look pretty dramatic. Maybe that's just me, but I don't know. I'm excited to try these. It's not really like a winter item, but I think this is pretty cool. Let me know if you guys had tried magnetic lashes or I'm just like a wimp. This is probably one of the items that I'm most excited about. It's the Tula Purifying Face Cleanser. I think I got a Tula product in the summer box. I'm pretty sure it's the brightening like balm. It is amazing. I just love Tula skincare, so I'm so glad I can add the cleanser to my collection because I just think Tula is such a good brand and I need more from them. So I'm glad I got this big bottle of a cleanser. And their packaging is just so cute. It's just like this baby blue and like baby pink. So pretty. Next is this, what is this? A nail file, but what is it? It's the Mani Moments Mani in a Box box do it with a nail file. So it's not a nail file. I think it's more like a manicure. When you pull it out, you get obviously the nail file, and then you get a sugar scrub, a cream mask, and then a massage butter. So basically what they use at the nail salon when you go get a manicure. I think that's pretty cool. Oh, and there's some on this side too. Oh, it's a green tea detox. It's the same thing, but this is green tea. And what was this one? Vitamin recharge. I think that's pretty cool. You can't go wrong for having like a manicure at home, just because I don't really get my nails done, so it's kind of nice to have. Then the last thing in my box, which is so upsetting, like how is my box just so small? I don't know, my mom's is like bigger, but she also got a bag with hers. So the last thing in the winter box is this electric wine opener. Like I said in the beginning, I don't even drink wine, but I didn't pick my choices, which I'm so upset about. But this is literally what it looks like. I'm not even gonna try to open it. Like this is, I don't drink wine, so this could be for my parents. But yeah, that concludes my winter FabFitFun unboxing for you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, just to see what is in the winter box this year. I would have to say I like my other boxes better, just because I got to pick them. This season I didn't get to pick them, which I'm so bummed about. But I still like the Tula and this one. Oh, and the lashes. I like these 3 items the most. The other ones I really don't care for, but yeah, I'll just have to look out for the email or the notifications next time. I also have a playlist that says FabFitFun. So if you ever want to see what else I got in my FabFitFun boxes, you can always look at my playlist. But with that being said, happy Vlogmas Day 2, everyone. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Can't wait to see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 3. I am so excited. I love these videos. It just makes me excited for winter and Christmas. I hope you guys have a great day. Remember, God is good. I love you guys all so much, and I'll see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 3. Bye, guys.